Alrighty, here we go. Last Amazon Prime unboxing to do. Oh yeah, here we go. It is Thursday the 24th. And we almost made it through the week. Holiday weekend for a lot of us in the States. So thank you guys for sending me this to show. Coming from Door Fire. Whoa, Door. Oh, you guys are falling. There's a little action going on. There we go. Cut. Open. Open. What do we have here? Oh, this is nice. Alright. This is coming from VADIV on Amazon Prime. Check them out. Sleep aid wake up light. Really nice. 3 levels of brightness, warm light, 16 million multicolor light. Wow. Alright, let's get inside. There we go. Definitely check them out, YouTubers. Take advantage of Amazon Prime, fast shipping. Get this in no time. Boom. Alright, we got everything. I just click. I think my phone's gonna die. Oh wow. Power. I'm gonna pause, turn the light on. Okay, here we go. Whoa. Change it. Okay. Alien talk. Alrighty, YouTubers, sorry about that. I knew my phone was going to cut off. Battery died, but it's back on. Here comes the USB charge. And then these are the sounds, the sleep aid, the noise. I'm not sure if the light changes colors on its own. Because there was a timer, like, right here. Oh, now it won't work. There you go, 60 off every 15 seconds. So let's see if I'm right about this. Should change colors every 15 seconds. But this is really cool. I'm liking this. There's a digital display for the time. I just gotta set our time later, which is no big deal. There's a speaker at the bottom. Pretty cool. And then the USB right there to charge. And if you have one of those power bricks, hook it up to one of those. Let's see. Uh-oh. So I'm not sure if I'm supposed to press anything. This is a volume. You can hear it get louder. That's pretty good for 30. Pretty loud. Nice and bright. I thought it would change colors. It's like the beach. Oh. Snooze. You snooze, you lose. Yeah, that changes the songs or the sounds. I'm not sure how they change colors. Let's see. English. White light. So that's exit 3. Okay. Selection value. Alright, got that covered. Sure how to set the color. Got the power on the state and white light mode. Hold down the 3-second snooze light. Oh. 1, 2, 3. Oh wow. One, 2, 3. It's supposed to be 256 colors. Short touch snooze light. To choose a desired color, press it again and restore. Three. Dang. What would MacGyver do? Why you no change? Aye. One, 2, 3. This is a snooze. Says hold down in 3 seconds the snooze light to activate color light mode. The color light changes automatically with 256 colors. Short touch snooze. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Uh-oh, Houston, we have a problem. Maybe. No, turn it off. Turn it on. Hit the snooze. 1, 2, 3. Ah. There we go. And then you can hit this. Right. Okay. So let's see. 1, 2, 3. Aha. Figured it out. Alright, there's green. Sweet. Blue. That's a nice blue. Purple. Orange. Yellow. Got the green action. Cool. I like that color right there. That blue pops. I think you can hold it right there if you want that. Oh yeah. See, look at that. I like that. So YouTubers, you guys can get one at a low cost. That'll be it for this video for today. You guys have a great holiday weekend in the States, and you guys be safe elsewhere in this world. And hopefully you can see you guys back this weekend. But if not, like I said, with the holiday, I might take a couple days off and relax and catch up back on Monday. It's an official holiday. So, and then that means summer is officially here. Let the good times roll. So check them out, YouTubers. Link is going to be down below. Coming from History Guys. Shoot, who are you? I forgot their names already. But it's all in the description. Check them out. Great stuff right here. Really cool light. Alarm clock. Sleep aid light. Wake up. Get some good sleep. And check them out. Alright, YouTubers. Be safe. See ya.